Before we even warm up the voice, we need to wake up the body. If your singing ever feels tight, heavy, or harder than it should, this is usually why. So take 5 minutes with me. No equipment, no pressure. Just a simple physical warm-up to help your voice move more freely. Vibe with me. Neck rotations, slow. One more time. Don't forget to breathe. Shoulder shrugs. Up. Down. Breathe. Up. Down. Open up your chest. Rotate your shoulders back. Forward. And forward. Back. Faster. Back. 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 Forward. 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 Back. 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 And forward. 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 Let's go and reach across. Reach across. Reach again. Reach across. And grab the sky. Grab the sky. Grab the sky. Hold the ground. Hold the ground. Single shoulders. Back. Big breath in. Breathe. Hold the sky and side stretch and around and back and down, around and back and reach chest rotation. Breathe. Roll your hips back and forth, back and forth, and side, hip, side, hip, side, hip. Feels nice, I know. Side, side to side, side to side, and just vibe, freestyle, whatever feels good. This is your moment. Don't be afraid. Just let go. Beautiful. Yes. Thank you for joining me. Till next time.